So just I entered in Qlio Hotel. You can see here. Oh, what happened to this Qlio Hotel? So in Qlio Hotel, what I see, air condition. This is for air condition. Okay, this is for hot water. So two things I did. I switch off, or well, I will look. Then this is the washroom. Yeah. So this is the washroom. And this is the room. One bed. I got one bed. Television. And this is the okay, what more things the bag. Put my bag here. I said I'm putting. This is for my bag. Good. Locker is there. Hot water, calling. These are the things. Oh, and this is not seaside. This is the Wisma Sri Rahmat. The windows should be locked all time. It should be locked every time, all time. So I think after that there is a after that building, sea is there. So not bad. Now I have to walk to look around, and this way I can, if everything is very close, then this is perfect, I think, for living for a few days. I booked only one day, then maybe. It's getting close. It's getting close. No, I don't want to close. I want to keep on. Okay. And now I can on from here. This is. Happen. It's not going to work, or what? I'm going to ask this guy. My God. I have to call them to know exactly what is happening. This has to work. Yeah, now it is on. Yeah, and here. Here now it is on. Oh my god, it's so, there is no it's very difficult to see, but it's showing something there. Numbers are showing. So yeah, here it's coming. So this is not a problem. The problem is solved, and let's leave it. And I asked them for the how much it cost me. I on the trip.com. If you go to latestfotocom, I have the affiliation with them, so I book normally visiting latestphoto.com, and I paid, they showed 17 euro, but later on they are when I booked for, I selected the date, I started to fill the all the information, then